What's going on, everyone? We are back again to open another pack of Paldean Fates. All right, let's see what these packs have in store for us today. All right. We got Fighting Energy. We got Chinchou, Pineco, Pikachu, Fampi, Donphan, Electric Generator, Grappllock, the Spiritomb finally, Mousehold, and the Magmortar. That one, I love this one. This one looks so awesome. Cool. Now I can mark this one off the list as well. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in today. If you haven't already, please consider hitting that like and subscribing, and we will catch you in the next video. Peace.